we're basically full now. We hadn't seen that since the height of the pandemic in January and February.
More than 161 million Americans are now fully vaccinated against the coronavirus. And authorities here at the CDC would like Americans who are holding out to know that they are the ones still getting sick. The director of the CDC is calling this the pandemic of the unvaccinated. In Oklahoma, the average number of hospital admissions for COVID-19 has nearly tripled in the last month. Every state but South Dakota and Wyoming is reporting a rise in new cases. Nearly 19,000 people are currently hospitalized nationwide, about 26% more this week than last week. That's still, of course, much better than the all-time high of 125,000 COVID-19 hospitalizations that the country reached in January. But authorities worry that the numbers are moving in the wrong direction.
This new Delta variant is transmitting very quickly. People are getting very sick, and there's not a whole lot we can do when you come in and you're already in a very, very severe stage of the disease.
In Los Angeles, they're back to old rules. Over the weekend, health officials began requiring everyone to wear masks at indoor public places again, even if you're fully vaccinated. Scientists say that the current vaccines are highly effective at preventing hospitalization, but that no vaccine is 100% effective. So there are rare cases where fully vaccinated people have been hospitalized. And then there's the story of Adam Joseph and his children.
We kind of feel like we failed as parents.
He's a meteorologist at our station WPVI in Philadelphia and says he thought he took all the necessary precautions when he invited an unvaccinated family member to his home. But that person tested positive, and now his children, who were too young to get the shot, are sick with COVID-19, and so is their nanny.
Please, if you are not vaccinated, do not go around children who are under 12. They are so vulnerable right now.
Blue Origin is officially cleared for liftoff. Woo! The rocket set to take off tomorrow morning with Amazon founder Jeff Bezos and his 3 crewmates on board. ABC's Gio Benitez getting inside a training capsule similar to the one that will take the crew to space.
3, 2, 1.
These are the largest windows that have ever flown in space.
I mean, it's pretty roomy considering. I mean, you wouldn't think so.
It is definitely roomy.
The crew now preparing to blast off for the 11-minute flight, where they will experience 3 minutes of weightlessness. Bezos will be accompanied by his brother Mark, 82-year-old Wally Funk, and 18-year-old Oliver Damon, the first paying civilian aboard a commercial spacecraft.
Oliver, welcome.
Bezos will be the second billionaire to leave the planet, after Richard Branson launched his Virgin Galactic spaceship last week. But Bezos and his passengers will travel 62 miles above the surface of the Earth, a little farther than Branson's 53 miles.